In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on this search icon. Here, you'll need to click on the option refresh. Click on this option refresh repeatedly until new content appears. Next up, you'll need to refresh your feed. For that, navigate to your profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right. Select the option settings and privacy. Now head over to the option Content Preferences under Content and Display. Then click on the option Refresher for your feed. This will reset your suggestions. Just click on Continue and go through the process. Next up, head back. Navigate to the option Activity Center. Then head over to the option Search History. Click on Select All Search History and click on Delete All. This clears all searches that may influence your you may like content. Lastly, head back. Navigate to the option Notifications. Scroll to Personalize Post Suggestions. Turn off everything, especially posts you might like. This prevents TikTok from recommending similar content. And that's it. This is how you can remove TikTok you may like suggestions. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.